Hello guys, I am Barkha and once again welcome to my channel. Today I just want to discuss few things with you all. As you know that I am going to start one new series today, that is Did You Know series, and this is the first video of that series. And today we'll learn enough, the word enough, how to use that word enough with noun and adjectives. So let's get started. Let's understand it with examples. She cannot buy a sandwich. She hasn't got enough money. He cannot reach the shelf. He isn't tall enough. This pullover isn't big enough for me. I haven't got enough money for a car. I haven't got enough money to buy a car. Is your English good enough to have a conversation? I hope you understood this concept, how to use the word enough with noun and adjectives. If you like my video, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.